I'm so sorry, Pelsia.
Yeah, it's okay.
The other class take more time, so I'm so sorry
It's
for
okay.
my lateness. Okay, so before we start your lesson, let me prepare the PowerPoint first.
Okay.
Could you tell me about your day, Pelsia?
Um, it's like
How was your
usual. It's like usual. I woke up, had breakfast, and yeah.
How about how about your Tuesday? How was your Tuesday? Hmm?
um, I had course.
Oh, another course. What course?
Uh, Guitar and keyboard.
What?
Guitar lessons and keyboard lessons.
Oh, that's great. Okay. Okay, Felsia, it's enough. Now, we will spend. We'll extend your time. You this class time. Okay, until let's use 12 uh 10 minutes maybe. Okay, so for the warming up, I need you to do something for me, and then you should share your screen. Okay, hit this link, Felsia. Okay, that link. Now set for the 5 minutes, 30 seconds, 300 seconds. Can you see?
300.
300 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, you can share your screen.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
oh, wait.
Monkey type. Yeah, exactly. Monkey type. Okay, now uh could you see uh, the number 15, 30, 60, 120? Could you see that number?
Yeah, I already changed it to 300.
Yep. Okay, now you can start if then.
Um,
Uh-huh. You can okay. There we go. Over now, even time, how same. Oh my god. If you can reach 250 Celsius, congratulations. I do not need to do that later. It's funny how you hit your space bar. Oh my god. This quite satisfying. Some does fun. Come on, Celsius. Only if work but hard, such it be possible? Will state.
Oh. How long is this?
2 minutes left.
Oh.
Come on, Velsia.
Oh, wait.
Must while real day begin small. One minute left. Feel I. Twenty seconds left. You skip because we'll. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 97. Wow. That's great. Wait a moment. I need your 43. Wait a moment. So 43 VPM. Oh, it's almost. That's great, Velsia. Okay, you can stop your screen. So you can type 43 word per second. That's great. Or this is equal with 215 character per minute. Okay, so congratulations for that. Wow, that's great. Okay, you know why? Because you know what? I mean, why we need to do this? Because I need to make sure that all of my student has a great typing speed. So yeah, let's do this simple thing to increase your typing speed. All of you, of course. Okay, now we can start your learning. So today you will learn about nested conditional statements. Okay? Okay, what is nested? And then what is the meaning of nested in programming? Let me tell you this problem, Belsia, to understand what is nested. So the program asks the customer for a product category and preferences. After processing the answer, the program prints the recommended product brand. A table of recommendation was provided for this job. And then this is the category, this is the wish, and then this is will be the recommendation for each category and each wish. So as you can see, I have daily product category as exact example, and then the wish is parm. So I need to print echo parm and so on. My question is, how many category? How many categories in here, Velsia?
4.
4. Are you sure?
I mean 2.
2. Okay, 2 categories. And then the wish?
3.
Yeah, basically it's just 3. Now, if you are using the previous knowledge that you have learned in conditional statement without nested, so you will do something like this. If the category is dairy product and the wish is parm, so I need to print out eco parm. Okay? Okay, but yeah. And then if else, so I need to asking again. Category if the dairy product and then the wish isn't parm, so I need to print this recommendation and so on and so on. It means that you need for time to mention all of that. Okay. Now, what's the difference? I mean, why do we need to use nested instead of do something like this? When technically, there is no differences between nested and this construction spells here. But based on the time consumption, so nested more efficient. I can say like that. Okay. I mean, if you have great understand with this concept, I mean without nested, so you can do it with like this. But I really or highly recommend you to do nested because nested has a better time. I mean it's more efficient than do not use nested. Okay, the question is how you will do the nested. So you can do the nested like this, Pelsia. So you just need to say from this, if category is dairy products and the wish is farm, print blah 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 and so on. To this, if category is dairy product and you set inside the if, you need to specify what is the second condition. Okay, if this is met, I mean, yeah, you need to ask your wish. If the wish is farm, so I need to print out the eco farm. And then if the else, well, I need to print my village. But the category is still dairy products. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. This is how you can implement nested constructions. Okay. So what is the goal for today? Yeah. The goal is you have to implement nested constructions and of course solve all of the tasks in our platform with that nested concept. Okay. So before we go, I mean, uh, dive deeper to the nested, let's take a review for your previous lesson. Okay, did you remember what's the value of this, Felsia? 1 is equal to 2.
Huh?
Yes. Name the values of the expression. Remember, what is the value of 1 is equal to 2?
2.
No, the value is a bit Boolean, okay? So it's just true or false, I mean. Okay,
Oh,
Felsia?
okay.
Because this is an expression. So 1 is equal to 2 is false, okay? Because 1 isn't equal to 2. And then this one,
True.
true. And then this one, 15 is equal to 15.
True.
That's false.
Oh,
Why?
because it has the string.
Okay. This is I integer, but the right side is a string. Okay. And then how about this, Felsia?
Uh,
Hello is not equal to hello. Is that true?
uh, hello is not equal to hello. Hello.
Yes. Is that true or false?
Is it false?
Why?
Uh, I don't know. It just looks.
This is true, okay?
Okay.
Because the word hello here, the H specifically is uppercase.
Yeah.
But the second hello, the H is lowercase. So this is different. That's why this expression is true. Hello isn't equal to hello. Okay, what do you call this expression, Pelsia?
The the
The expression?
the symbol thing.
Simple logical expression. Okay? Logical expression. Yeah, expression like that. Okay, the second thing that you should remember is compound logical expression. And then it needs an or operator. Okay? Now, I have to ask you again. Yes is equal to yes and 3 is greater than 2. Is that true or false, Pelsia?
True.
True? What's your answer?
True.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, why? Because when you're using an operator, Pelsia, all of the simple logical expressions should be true. Then the final answer or the final value of this logical expression will be true. That you should remember. Okay, how about this one, Pelsia?
False.
False. Why?
Because it's false.
because it's because the first expression is false. Okay, and then I don't care about the second expression as long as I use an operator and at least one expression is not right, so the whole expression will be false at the end. Okay, and then this one, Pelsia? True, false?
True.
True, false? This one it's true?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why?
Because that's correct.
Okay, exactly. And you're using or operator. And then how about this one?
True.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes, this
Yeah.
is true because 5 is bigger than 3 and then 6 is bigger than 3. Lastly, this is will always what?
Or.
So, yeah, answer is a variable, but okay, let me give you the value of answer, let's say is yes. Like this, Pelsia. Now, is that true? Yes is equal to yes or yes is not equal with yes? What's the value?
True.
Yeah, it always be true. Okay, Pelsia?
Yeah.
Because if the answer isn't yes, so it would be not yes. So one of these statements should be correct always. Okay, then why the final output should be true? Okay, that's all about the review. And then I wanna do it by demonstrate to you how you can use nested construction to your code. Okay, let me log in first. There we go. And then module 2, excuse me, and then nested construct conditional statements. And let's do it with number 3 first. Okay, Pelsia, we will go maybe, yeah, let's solve this problem. Okay. Oh, it just picks the box, so it's easy. Let's find how about this one? Okay, this is nice to give you an example about nested. So write the program, and then the program said like this: do you want to explore our top sellers? Yes. Category of interest, household good, laundry detergent, shoe brush. Okay, and then this is more explanation about it. If the client answer yes, then over, okay. Let me type the answer. So I need to say first is answer is equal to, I need to use input function and then say do, oops, do you want to explore our top sellers? Oops, question mark. And then I need to say if the client answer yes, then over to enter product category. It means that I need to validate the answer using if statement. Is equal to yes. I need to X again if the category is equal to food like this. So I need to print out milk 1 liter and so on. Control C, Control V. Okay. Now, what's wrong with my code, Pelsia? What's wrong? Or there is nothing wrong here. Everything's right. Or, you want to tell me?
I just want to ask, why do you give space?
Oh, this one? Oh, yeah. Okay, how about this? Well, it's just for styling.
Oh, okay.
Okay. How about this? Is this true? I mean, is my program has an error or there is no error to my program?
I don't think there is.
Okay. It means I can continue. And then if the category isn't put, I need to print something like this. Else is equal to print, Control V, and then how if the answer is not yes? So this is the block explanation about it. If the client doesn't answer yes, so you need to print let us know if you change your mind, and exclamation mark. It means that I need to say else print boom. Okay, now you missed something here, Pelsia. What is that? So I mentioned category at line 4, but I haven't defined this variable first.
Oh.
Yeah, it means that it will get an error later. So yes, boom. Name category is undefined. The question is, where do I need to add this category? I mean, should I add the category in here or in here? Pelsia.
Number 2, line 2.
Like this one?
2.
2. Okay, why?
I don't know.
You know. Okay, category is equal to a what? What is category of interest? Okay. So category of interest. Okay, column. Well, if you add the category variable here, so it will ask you first before this condition is met. That will be happen. Okay, just like this. So you will say yes, and then wait, what? But this condition isn't met. I mean, the program hasn't checked the condition yet. So how would you do that? It means that the position of the category, it's not on there, but you should add the variable in here. So you should say the answer should be yes first, and then it will ask you the category. And if your answer isn't yes, so it will go to this comment directly. Okay, Pelsia?
Yeah.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
So the category is yes, and then category interest not put. Let's say, okay, everything's right. Now, do you have question, Pelsia?
No.
No? Okay. You can start your screen sharing then.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna open the link first.
Okay.
Sir, can you send me the link?
Oh yeah, sure. Wait a moment. Come on, Pelsia. Is everything okay?
Is it lesson 3? I mean, like, yeah.
A module 2, lesson 2, Pelsia.
I mean, like the, what is it
Mm-hmm.
called? Okay, I'm just gonna click this one.
What do you mean?
This?
Can you press the back button, Pelsia? I mean, you know, I don't know about apa namanya? Tombol kembali.
This?
Aha, yep. Can you go up? Hold on. Ah, yeah. Lesson 2, number 3. Okay. Okay. Mark the true statements about the conditional operator, Pelsia. Umaroha. A nested conditional operator can be used. Wow, I'm too late. Okay, Felsia.
Oh no.
You can skip this one.
I
Go to the
can't.
number 3. Yeah.
I,
Uh-huh.
I
How
cannot.
about this? Yeah, but this one is. I'm so sorry, Felsia. Come on. It's just a little. Okay. If meal is equal to breakfast, colon,
How do you?
hit tab.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. If wish is equal to with light, colon, print porridge. Do you like porridge, Felsia?
Yeah.
Oh. Else is print. Oops. Print pizza. Great. Okay. Aha. Fix the box in the program, Felsia. Okay, Felsia. Come on.
This. Wait.
Is my voice had noise, Felsia?
A little.
A little?
Yeah.
Okay. A little. Okay, I have fixed it. If category is equal with sweet, what should you do?
Oh, wait.
Exactly. Else, Alan. Okay. Uh-huh.
Oh,
Yeah. You cannot add uh two else in one line, Felsia. I mean,
oh.
yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah. So the first the last else should be
Wait.
not on there, Felsia, but
Oh,
it's outside the
yeah.
else. Mm-hmm.
I see it. Bro.
Okay, and then
The
the
print?
output, of course. Oh no, it should, like that.
Um,
Tada, tada. Oh, no, tada. Okay, excellent. Betul. Okay, how about this, Felsia? Fix the box again. Okay,
if category. Where'd it go?
oh no.
What just happened?
Yeah, you accidentally hidden the comment.
How did I do that? Wait.
Well, you just click, you just need to click the number, the left number.
Wait.
Then
Cat.
it will hidden your.
If category greens, max plus.
Okay, what's wrong with this, Felsia?
Wait. If max. House.
Mm-hmm.
Is this. Where does this else belong to?
Well, that the last else is right, but the else at line 6, that's not right. It
It's.
should be inside the if statement. The
Oh.
first if. Mm-hmm. Yep. Like that. And then the print also. Okay.
Greens. 100. Oh. Not
Not supported between instance of str and int. What's wrong, Felsia?
the strings.
But that's not make any sense.
Oh yeah. Wait. What does it even say?
Well, can you see at line 3, Felsia?
Yeah.
What's wrong with that? At line 3.
Oh. Wait no. If category.
At line 3. So the max price is input maximum price. But that's a price. I
Yeah.
mean, yeah. I mean, you're using input function, but that's a price. A price is a number, isn't it?
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I mean. blah blah blah. You can add blah blah blah, by the way. Again, blah blah blah. Anything else, yeah. Aha.
Oh, this is the one that we did.
Okay, I will send you my code. Okay. I mean, do not waste your time in here.
Okay.
You can skip this part. Okay, that's it. Ada
Wait.
chat Zoom, ya?
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, what's that?
Checklist. Stop it first. Checklist, blah, blah, blah. Boom. Okay. Great. Aha. How about this, ya? If you can solve this problem, I can say wow. Because it's quite
Finding the
yeah, medium, I think.
price product. What is this? Finding the highest price out of 3. Oh, okay.
You can see the example at picture.
Oh.
So,
Promotion total.
so if you have entered 1,220 for the first prize, and then the second is 2,000, and so on. So it will print out the highest price. That is the second prize. The question is how you could do that. Pro one. What is Pro one? Oh yeah, product one. Excuse me.
Input. Wait.
Are you sure?
Wait.
Using input? I mean, it's not just input. Of course, you should use input.
Sir, if this is money, that means we use the int.
Exactly, Felsia. That's what I wanna tell you.
Input. Right.
Price of product one. One. Column. Okay, copy and paste.
Okay.
Brilliant. Control V. Control V. Okay. And then change the variable's name. Row 2. And then row 3. Product. Okay. Now what? This is the hardest part.
We have to like choose the
Yes.
okay. The
The price.
row 2.
Yeah. Oh, no. It's not. I mean, it's not just product 2. But if you enter the highest.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the question is how you can do that.
Oh, I'm just gonna tip. No, sure to finalize. If A is greater than or equal to B, for A is greater, B is. Oh no. Okay, I get it. I'm just gonna try.
Okay. Okay. Let
If
me see your idea.
wait. I have to check something. Um, if Pro 1. Wait,
If Pro 1,
I wanna know something first. The prices for different products may be the same.
Pro 1,
The first one, so the number is greater than the second product.
you may find.
Wait, there's okay.
Uh-huh.
If that, then A is the greatest of all.
So you need to compare the first prize,
Yeah,
second and third.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, do I have to like all of them, like, or do I just like pro one with 2 and 3 and then that's it?
What? Two of them, but
Oh, two.
you should use nested. I mean,
Okay.
uh,
Yeah.
I want to see your idea first. By the way, come on, Palsy.
If pro one. If pro one.
A pro one,
Wait, do I use this symbol?
yes, that's bigger than.
Or equal to. Wait, do I use
Mm-hmm.
either pro B?
Yes,
Pro
pro
B.
two. Okay, it's okay. And then column.
Where is it? Pro 2 and then
Okay, now what?
uh um
Come on, Pal.
do I just wait, print
Yes,
print print
print.
print
The you can see the picture. And I forgot the statement.
uh,
Can you see the picture, Pals? Yeah.
then
I
yeah,
mean
then
the. Mm-hmm.
A is greater.
Yeah, the
It's
pro one.
pro one.
It means that. Yep, you're right about that.
And then what? If
And then
A is greater.
how about this simple expression isn't right? So you need to create the other expression, don't you?
Yeah. Wait.
Mm-hmm.
Down. Wait. Here.
Okay.
If pro one, like uh, that. Wait, what does it say? If A is greater than uh, this one says you have to compare it with the third one first. I was gonna do that.
Oh yeah.
Pro 3,
Okay.
print Pro 1. And then, what? Otherwise, huh? If A is greater, wait, what?
Oh. Oh my God.
Okay.
How?
I'm gonna continue this one first. I think I did something wrong. Print Pro 1,
Uh,
print, then A is the good at this one, and then otherwise, else, um, print, 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 print. Wait, why is it here?
yeah, it should be outside. Okay, you're right.
This one? Okay.
Boom.
Print, this one too. Print, what's it called? Oh yeah, Pro. Wait, what? Oh yeah, otherwise.
So the other condition is if the Pro one isn't bigger than Pro 3, means that the Pro 3 is bigger, isn't it? Well, yeah,
Yeah,
then Pro 1. It means that you should print Pro 3, right?
yeah.
Okay. Now, how about the Pro 2? You haven't mentioned the Pro
Yeah,
2.
yeah, my bad. My bad.
Okay, come on.
Where is it? Okay. Okay. Otherwise, why is there another otherwise?
Another otherwise,
B is the greatest.
you haven't compared the Pro 2 and the Pro 3
Yeah. Okay. Let's
yet. Yeah.
uh
Let's go. Okay.
F pro what if pro what? Oh yeah, pro
Pro 2. Okay. Bigger than.
Why is it like that?
Okay. Prod 3.
3, and then print prod 2.
You're right. And then the else is prod 3.
Else print prod 3. Okay, this is quite long.
Yep.
Then what, is that it? No.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
I wanna make sure you understand about this better, Felsia. Come on.
100,
100,
200,
200,
3,000.
3,000.
Oh, oh yeah, I forgot the thing. I forgot the thing. I forgot the last step. Okay. Oh
Okay,
no.
come on.
Yeah. Print. What is it just now? The sentence. Oh, it's here. Promotion. 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 Total. Total
Total for 3 items.
for 3 items. Okay. And then the thing.
And then what?
Wait, and then the what? Yeah. uh.
Come on, Felsia.
Eh. Wait. I think I did something wrong. If
It's
vanilla
okay.
3
Don't
number,
worry, Felsia. We'll fix it together.
there is more than one. Can I just say like, oh wait, no. No. The greatest. I think there's something missing over here.
What is that?
I don't know what it is.
You don't know? Okay.
Let's just say greatest. Yeah.
Okay, wow.
I don't know. Wait.
It's okay. That's a great idea.
Um. Wait, I'm gonna think first. Greatest. I feel like there's something missing on top.
No, there is you didn't miss something.
Cause I can. We already input like these things, right? But
It means that you need to print the word, I mean promotion total for pre-items in each print function, right, Felsia?
oh
Yeah, but yeah, I will explain to you later.
yeah, I'm just gonna do that first. Oh yeah. Oh okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Ish.
Yep, comma, comma. You can hit Alt, by the way.
Out.
Alt.
What is that for?
Is the for choosing all of the stuff that you want to change. Alt, hit Alt, Felsia.
Uh,
Alt, and then like that. Okay, now you can
oh,
comma. Okay,
I feel like there's still something wrong, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna try first. I'm just gonna try.
you have good sense. Okay. Oh my God.
Like they have to
Okay,
choose. They have to choose.
but the logic is right. I mean, I understand that you haven't understand about how you can implement the idea to the code, but the logic is right. Okay, Pelsia. Now let's do it together. Okay. So first one, after you compare this stuff, if Pro 1 and Pro 2, so you need to compare the second step. I mean, you just need to say if the Pro 1 now is greater than or equal to Pro 3. This is how you can use nested. It means that the highest price is Pro 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bells, yeah? So you need to do something like this here. So the question is, what if this condition isn't met? Well, it means that else this one, the Pro 3 is the answer. Right, Pelsia?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. You can solve the rest of that. Come on. How about the second one? You can remove line 10 until 11.
Oh, wait. 10
Or
this.
Yep. Okay. Remove that. Okay. What now? What do you need to compare, Pelsia? You have compared Pro 1 and Pro 3. Now
Yeah.
what?
2 and 3.
Okay. You're right. 2 and 3. And then say.
Okay. And then, if, wait, 1 and 2 already.
Yeah, but for now, one or two, yeah, you have already compared 1 and 2, but this condition isn't same. I mean, this condition is Pro 1 and Pro 2, but now, yeah, Pro 2 and Pro 3. And then you will compare how about Pro 1 inside after I compare the Pro 2 and Pro 3. Okay, like that. It means that the Pro 1 is the answer. Hey, the Pro 2 is the answer.
Wait. Oh.
Okay. What is the else? Okay. Exactly.
This one?
Yeah. I think you do not need that.
Right?
Yep. Now you got it, Pelsia? The idea?
Yeah. But
Okay.
I wanna ask.
Okay, what is that?
Just now, this one, we already compare 1 and 2. This one we compare 1 and 2 again.
Yeah, because this one
Oh, wait,
is in.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, now let's try your code. Blah blah blah. 0 0 0. It's also fine.
1, 2. Yay.
Oh my god. But what's wrong?
What?
I mean, wait, what?
Wait, why suddenly like that?
Wait, what?
Just now Canva. Just now Can.
Pro 1. If Pro 1 is greater than Pro 3. If Pro 2 is greater than or equal to. Oh yeah. So if Pro 2 is greater than Pro 1, so Pro 2 is the answer, and then the else is Pro 1 is the answer. You're right about it.
Do I have to make it like another if 3 for Pro 3? Or is this enough? Has to be this one enough.
Another. Can I see that?
Oh.
Could you do that? Come on, Belsia. Could you do that?
Do what?
I mean, add the other if.
Okay.
What's your idea?
I don't know, repeating the same thing.
Okay, it's okay. Come on. Pro 3 is greater than Pro 1. If the Pro 3 is greater than.
Oh yeah, I do not want to do that. Oh wait, I wanna. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yes, of course. Oh, yeah. It's not right. Yeah.
Print Pro. Pro what?
Pro. Yeah, Pro 2. Okay. This is right, Belsia.
Wait.
Right.
Okay. Yay. Okay.
Checklist 111.
Blah. Oh, no.
Okay. You know what? I know what's wrong with this code. Yeah, I forgot to do that. So if the Pro 1 is not greater than Pro 2, it means that I do not need to specific at the specific condition. I just need to say else, right? So the else means that the Pro 1 is greater than the Pro 2 is greater than Pro 1. Right, Pelsia?
Yeah.
Now you need to compare the Pro 1 and Pro 3.
Oh.
Got it, Pelsia? And then this one, later if the Pro 2 is greater than Pro 1, means that you need to compare the Pro 2 is greater than Pro 3. Now, if this condition isn't met, so the highest price is Pro 3. Means that you do not need this one. How about now, Felsia? 111. Boom. Hey. 111. Boom.
Yeah.
Aha. Okay, Felsia. Okay. How about now? The
Okay.
price is greater than.
This is like my math class. Oh my goodness. The price is greater than 100 coins. The price is greater than
100 coins.
Oh, this is
Wait. Ooh. I think it's bugging, Felsia. I don't know why.
greater than 100 coins. The price is not less than 100.
Isn't less than.
I thought this is 10. Isn't less than.
You know what is the meaning of isn't less than?
More.
So basically, if you have something like that, you just need to see the less than, and then the meaning is the opposite of that.
Yeah.
Okay, you're right.
Greater than 500. Yeah. The price is less than 500 coins and greater than 100 coins. Uh, wait. Not equal. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, I think You want a break? It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. This is enough, yeah, Pelsia. If you understand the logic, so yeah, that's the key to create an algorithm or program. Okay, Pelsia. I wanna take a recap first before we end up this meeting. Okay.
Okay.
Wait a moment. Okay, so what did we learn today is first how you can nest it statement inside a conditional statement, and then the goal of that is to optimize your code. That's the goal. And also, you know what, actually we have something to talk uh about, and then this is the second part, but I do not want to force my student. I mean, yeah, let's step by step. I mean, we can maybe talk the rest of the lesson later. Okay, in the next meet. Okay. And how do you think? What do you think about this lesson, Elsia? Easy, medium, or hard?
Uh, it's okay.
You know?
Like it's easy, but like sometimes I just oh
Oh
you
yeah.
thought you can do that. Okay, yeah.
Okay, 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 Pelsia. I think that's all. And lastly, thank you so much. I like your way to think, by the way, and you just like I have a student name is Luis. Okay, and yeah, he also like you, like the way he think, and yeah, just like you. That's great. And later, if you uh go to the Python start second year, you will create an application and game, and then to create that application or that game, you need to understand about nested or logical expression, and also function. And the hardest part about coding is class. Okay, we'll talk about that later. Okay, do you have something to tell me, Felsia?
No.
No. Okay, if no question or no statement, I think that's enough for today. Thank you so much for your attention, Felsia, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.